Nestled in the heart of the Tianshan Mountains, Xinjiang, China, lies the breathtaking Tianchi Lake, also known as Heavenly Lake. This crystal-clear lake, situated at an altitude of 1,980 meters, offers serene surroundings, boat rides, and scenic hiking trails. The lake's tranquil waters reflect the majestic Bogda Shan range, creating a picturesque landscape. Just a short distance from Tianshan Lake lies the Keketuohai National Geological Park, a treasure trove of geological wonders. The park is situated along the Irtysh River, which has carved out an impressive Grand Canyon over millions of years. One of the park's most iconic landmarks is Shenzhong Mountain, also known as Holy Bell Peak. This majestic mountain is revered for its stunning rock formations, eerie echo effects, and spiritual significance. This region offers an unforgettable adventure for nature lovers, photographers, and anyone seeking to experience the raw beauty of China's wilderness. Whether you're interested in geology, hiking, or simply taking in the majestic views, the Keketuohai National Geological Park and Tianchi Lake are a must-visit destination.